Hello friend, let's collide with each other. Today we will do colliders, and you can get like this. When the two players collide, a message is printed on the terminal. Okay. But before we see the code, each object should have a box collider and a rigid body so that it works properly. And you can edit the surface that is colliding with this by pressing this, and you can change it like that. Now, if we see the code, we have a function named OnCollisionEnter. If you don't write it like this, there will be no error, but it won't work. Okay, when it collides with the other object, if other has a tag named obstacle, print they collided. How do you add a tag? Like this. You go through replace tag, add tag, and the name of your tag. You can see your tag have been added to the list, and you can choose it. So when the player that we give it the script and the rigid body cube 1 collide with this object that has the tag obstacle, the collided is printed. Like and subscribe if you find this video useful, and bye bye!